Look, now I have a pet cicada. Hear them in the background? That's awesome. More cicadas in the background here. But now I got a pet cicada. What should I name it? Comment down below. There he is. There's a frog. There's my pet cicada, which we got a name. Sorry, cicada. It's only in the bottom now again. And there's the frog we had to name. This is like a tree frog. Dude, I've had so many animals, creatures and stuff in this tote, this thing. It's had so many of these and so many videos have been filmed in this. I've had frogs, I've had cicadas, I've had toads and everything in here. So yep, good thing. And a grasshopper. Speaking of cicada, here it is. Or here it is. I think it's a girl, I think. I had this in there with the frog, which was a bad idea. Because apparently it might eat this. Comment down below if that's true, I don't know for sure. But yeah. It has been separated. Now it's on my finger. Now it's time to do what I do best, set them free. Because I don't want to keep them in the cage for the rest of their lives. So I'm going to set them both free. This cicada really likes me. The frog's looking right at it down there. We're going to miss you. I just now noticed its eyes missing. Hope I didn't do that. I don't think I did. Are you ready to go free now? I'm gonna set you free. Cause I'm not evil. I want to keep them for a little bit and then record them and then set them free. So that's what I do best. I've done with a lot of my things I've captured. Go on. Be free. Be free. So he doesn't want to go free. Come on! My recording stopped. Go on! Go on, go free! Now for the cicada, I kind of feel bad. He's missing an eye. Maybe I should keep him in this container. It has holes in it so they can breathe. I don't know. I kind of want to set the cicada free. It kind of likes me. Bye guys and girls. See you next video. Look, it's a giant slug. Actually, there's two. See?